In this video, we will show you how to use the Drought tab of the North Carolina Water Supply dashboard. The Drought tab shows the current drought status for a selected watershed subbasin. More specifically, this tab shows the current drought data from the U.S. Drought Monitor, which is grouped into 6 categories ranging from no drought, shown as none or transparent on the map, to an exceptional drought, shown as D4 in dark red. On the map, the drought layer is turned on by default. The information panel shows drought status for a selected watershed subbasin. Use the Select Watershed Subbasin drop-down field to choose a watershed. Once a watershed subbasin is selected, the information panel shows 2 pieces of information. On the top, a color bar shows the current percentage of the selected watershed subbasin that is in each drought category. The values mirror the drought categories ranging from none to an exceptional drought. For this example, for the Albemarle Basin, as of June 27, 2023, over 52% has no drought classification and 47% has mild drought classification, which corresponds to D0. A chart showing the historical drought status for the selected subbasin is below this. The y-axis on the chart shows the percentage of the watershed subbasin in each drought category, while the x-axis shows the date. Using your mouse, you can hover over the chart to get the percentages of the selected watershed subbasin in the relevant drought category for the specific month and year. You can use the controls, the gray buttons on the top right of the chart, to save the chart as an image, to click to zoom, to pan, to zoom in, zoom out, and reset the chart view. For additional assistance, use the help button. The next video in this series will cover how to use the Rainfall Data tab. You can find all the videos in this series on the Internet Water Coalition's website and YouTube channel. Links to both are provided on the screen and in the video description. Thank you for watching.